Hello, Forever family. Today I'm joined with Agnes Bonner from Hungary, and she is going to talk to us a little bit about the day after DX4. Sometimes we get very focused on the 4 days we're doing DX4, but we forget about the day we should prepare, the day before DX4, and the day after DX4. Agnes, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. Hello, everyone.
Wonderful. Nice to see you. So you have done DX4 a few times, and you have a day after, which would be considered day 5 of DX4, where you kind of visualize the things that you've learned, you start to incorporate them into your habits, and you take that one small change and you continue forward. So what did you learn about yourself through the DX4 program?
What I learned the most was that I think it's not enough to set a single objective, just complete the program. I will be honest with you. For the first time, I was almost all about getting through the 4 days. For example, I was not setting so much goals for myself, just getting through. And this has been a bad habit of mine in the past, not allowing myself time for myself, for my body, my mind. So my first DX4 program was a commitment for me to do it over and over again. And each time I listen to my body, my thoughts, my goals, and each time always focus on something different goal. And I think I will do every DX4 program on this way in the future.
I love that. You said that it was important to do the work, to do the program, to just say, I'm going to complete DX4, you will get results. But when you did the work, that's when you saw the true power of DX4. Thank you. So how did you feel after completing DX4 the first time that you did it?
The first time I feel fresh. I felt myself fresh, and I know that I will do it again. But the second time I was more aware of the program.
I love that. So the first time you felt refreshed and committed, but the second time is when you really truly felt your power. And that's what I'm hoping
Yes.
our FBOs and consumers around the world will get from this is it's important to repeat DX4 because you learn tiny little things about yourself along the way. So what did you enjoy most about the DX4 program?
The second time around, I knew what I expected from myself, and not to be hard on myself. And I gave thanks for me for what I choose a goal, and for my qualities that leads to success the program. So I decided that I also needed to focus on the process itself rather than the desired outcome alone. So I enjoyed the process of change as well, and to respect the care of myself, and so to raise the grow mindset to the maximum I could, and I feel, or I think I did so much better the second time around. But the good thing, that there is always a chance to improve ourselves. So
I love that. I love that positive mindset. There's always a chance to improve, but it's true. When you do DX4 the first time, you don't know what to expect. But once you go through the program, and when you do it the second time, as you mentioned, you're more present, you're kinder to yourself. I love that you said you were kinder to yourself. and that also you expressed gratitude more frequently, which is so important when you're trying to achieve an objective. When you express gratitude for the small things along the way, that is so powerful to the mind, body, and soul connection. So let's talk about the things you struggled with. When you did the DX4 the second time around, what are some of the things that you struggled with?
Nothing. I'm just kidding.
I was going to say, we need to be honest right now.
Yes, I will be also honest. Physically, the hunger was hard for me for the first day or two. The first time I did the DX4, but the true is that all in our mind. The second time around, as I became more mentally aware, the first 2 days became so much easier. And I think all of Forever products are the highest quality. And I never felt any particular difficulty in using the products themselves. And these 4 days was enough for me to get to use them. So I think always in all in our mind. And second time I wasn't so hungry.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. When you're present and you start to identify the cravings or asking yourself, why am I hungry right now? Am I hungry because it's time to eat? Am I hungry because I'm bored or I'm feeling emotion? And once you can identify why you're choosing the food you eat and the cause you're choosing them, the reason behind that, it's so much easier to make quick little changes along the way. And as you mentioned, again, expressing gratitude, but the whole program becomes easier because you know what to expect and you know how to overcome those challenges. We all struggle. I've struggled with DX4. And there are days sometimes when I do DX4 where I think, oh, I remember this day. This is the day I get really hungry. But that word hungry, it causes an effect in me to ask myself, why? Why are you hungry? And when you become present and you connect, you realize maybe I'm not really that hungry. Maybe I just need to drink some more water, or maybe I need to get up and move a little bit. And almost every single time, I'm really not hungry. I'm reacting to an emotion. And once I get up and break that cycle, I'm no longer that hungry. So thank you for sharing that. All right, is there anything that you will do differently the next time you do DX4?
I am setting another goal for myself, of course, and I have decided to involve more friends and relatives in this wonderful journey to help them, and of course my team and our biggest team will do it together in January, and it's very motivating for all of us and a good experience. Do it together, and I would like to continue DX4 with C9 immediately, and keep all products, and keep this consistent eating, thinking, and living this way in 2023 also.
I love that, Agnes.
I'm
going to be thinking of you. We're all doing DX4. I will be doing DX4 all together with the family. So, and I love that. You said encourage others to join the journey with you. Hold yourself accountable by reaching out to friends and family and colleagues and saying, I'm starting this program. And if you need any help from those people, you've now surrounded yourself with a positive network of reinforcement that can help you succeed. And at the end of the day, if they see that powerful success, the next time you do DX4, they might want to jump in and join you. In fact, I'm certain they will want to jump in and join you. So you're going to be doing it with your whole team. Again, it's a group effort, and that just encourages you to keep going and to do it successfully, to stay present and to complete the program, but not just complete the program, to absorb the benefits that DX4 has provided you, to listen to your body and to focus on that one goal. So I love that. Encourage yourself to find other people to support you. That's beautiful. Thank you. Well, Agnes, thank you so much for spending time with me today. As I mentioned, we'll be kicking off the whole entire DX4 program as a forever family. I'll be thinking of you. I wish you the very, very best of success, and thank you for spending time with us today.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.